So in surface areas and volumes topic, one more object is there about sphere we should know. So sphere, surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. There are two formulae related to sphere. One is surface area of the sphere, next volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. These are the two formulae related to sphere. When a sphere is cut into two equal parts, each part is known as hemisphere. This is hemisphere. When a sphere is cut into two equal parts, each part is called hemisphere. Now, surface area of hemisphere. Surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Total surface area of hemisphere it is 3 pi r square. Next, volume of hemisphere two by 3 pi r cube. So these are the five formulas related to the sphere topic. For a sphere, surface area is 4 pi r square. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. When a sphere is cut into two equal parts, each part is called hemisphere. For a hemisphere, surface area formula is 2 pi r square and total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Volume of a hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now let us do some problems based on these formulae. Right, first one. Find the volume of a sphere of radius 6.3 centimeters. Here radius of the sphere is given as 6.3 centimeters. Now we should find volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is 4 by 3 pi is 22 by 7. This is 6.3 whole cube. So it is 4 by 3, 22 by 7. 6.3 whole cube means 6.3 into 6.3 into 6.3. So it is 7 9s are 63, so 0.9. Next this is 0.3, 3 3s are 9. So here we got 4 into 22 into 0.3 into 6.3 into 6.3. Let us multiply 6.3 into 6.3 first. It is 39.69 into 0.3. is 11.907 into 88. So the answer is 1047.816 centimeter cube. 1047.816 centimeter cube. Right, next second problem. If the surface area of a sphere is 154 centimeters square, find its radius. If the surface area of a sphere is 154 centimeters square, then find its radius. Now given condition is surface area of the sphere is given. Surface area of the sphere is given by the formula 4 pi r square, that is given as 154. 4 into pi is 22 by 7. R value we don't know, we have to find is 154. Make R as the subject, remaining numbers to take that side. R square is equal to 154 into 7 by 4 into 22. 11 2s are 22, 11 14s are 2 1s, 2 7s. So we will get R square is equal to 49 by 4. R is equal to square root of 49 by 4, that is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 means it is 3.5 centimeters, that is the radius. So total surface, that is surface area of the sphere is given as 154. Surface area formula is 4 pi r square, it is 154. 4 into 22 by 7, R value we have to find. So we are getting R value 7 by 2, which is 3.5 centimeters. Right, the third problem. The radius of a sphere is 3.5 centimeters. Find its surface area and volume. The radius of a sphere is 3.5 centimeters. Find its surface area and volume. The radius of a sphere is 3.5 centimeters. Find its surface area and volume. So radius is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Now we have to find surface area of sphere. Surface area of the sphere is given by the formula 4 pi r square, that is 4 into pi is 22 by 7, r is 3.5 whole square. So it is 4 into 22 by 7, 3.5 whole square means 3.5 into 3.5. 7 ones are 7, 0.5. So 4 into 22 is 88. 0.5 into 3.5. So it is 1.75. Now we should multiply 1.75 by this 88. So it is 154 centimeters square. This is the surface area. Now we should find out volume. So volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 3.5. So whole cube. It is 4 by 3. 22 by 7. This is 3.5 whole cube means 3.5 3 times you have to multiply. So it is 7 1 the 7 0.5. So it is 4 by 3 into 22 into 0.5 into 3.5 into 3.5. You multiply the numerator by 3, you keep as is, that is the final answer. So multiply and simplify, you will get the answer, centimeter cube. The surface area of a sphere is 1018 by 2 by 7 centimeters square. What is its volume? Here surface area of the sphere is given. That is 1018 2 by 7. Surface area of the sphere is the formula 4 pi r square. This 1018 2 by 7, that is a mixed fraction. Let us convert it to fraction, that is so it is 7128 by 7. Four into pi is 22 by 7. Radius we don't know, we have to find 7128 by 7. This 7 you can cancel. So r square is equal to, we will get 7128 by 4 into 22. 2 11s, 2 35s are 70, 2 6, 2 4s. 11 3s are 33, 11 2s are 11 4s. So r square is equal to, we got 324 by 4. When you remove square, r is equal to under root 324 by 4. 324 square root is 18, 4 square root is 2, that is r value we will get 9 centimeters answer. After getting r value 9 centimeters, volume of the sphere, this you have to do at home, that is volume of the sphere is given by the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is 4 by 3 pi is 22 by 7, radius we got 9. So 4 by 3 pi is 22 by 7, radius is 9 into 9 into 9. Three ones are 3 threes are. 4 into 22 is 88. This is 243 by 7. Multiply 88 and 243 by 7. That is the answer. So this 88 into 243 you multiply, you will get a number. By 7 you keep as this. That is the centimeter cube answer.
17.
Right, question number 5. Find the total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 10 centimeters. Find the total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 10 centimeters. Here radius of the hemisphere is given as 10 centimeters. Now total surface area of hemisphere. Total surface area of hemisphere is, the formula is 3 pi r square. So 3 into 22 by 7, radius is 10 square. So it is 3 into 22 by 7, 10 square is 1000. 3 into 22 it is 66 into 1000 by 7 centimeters square. That is the total surface area of hemisphere.
18.